Imagine having more money saved up without giving up your favorite coffee runs, dinners out, or that little splurge now and then. In this video, I'm sharing the exact 6 strategies that helped me double my savings effortlessly. These aren't extreme tips. No skipping meals, no moving back in with your parents. Just practical, realistic steps that anyone can follow. 1. Break it down and automate. Big savings goals can feel overwhelming, but breaking them into smaller chunks makes them so much easier to tackle. For example, if you want to save $10,000, over 12 months, it's about $193 per week. Over 6 months, it's $385 per week. In just 3 months, it's $770 per week. See how much more manageable that feels? Once you've broken it down, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your paycheck account into a separate savings account. This simple habit ensures you're paying yourself first and prevents you from accidentally spending that money. If it feels too tight after a few months, you can adjust. But by then, you'll already have built a strong savings habit. 2. Target your biggest expenses. Your largest expenses, housing, transportation, and food, are the best places to optimize for maximum savings. For example, housing. Can you renegotiate your rent? Offering something in return, like signing a longer lease or giving up unused amenities, can help lower your costs. Transportation. Check your car insurance. Are you paying for add-ons you don't need? Adjusting your coverage could save you hundreds per year. Food. Plan your meals ahead of time and stick to your grocery list. Eating out less frequently can make a huge difference without sacrificing enjoyment. 3. Pause and ask before spending. Impulse purchases can sneak up on anyone. Before you buy something, ask yourself 2 questions. 1. Do I really need this? If it's a want, not a need, hold off. 2. Can I get it for less? Look for discounts, check comparison websites, buy secondhand, or wait for a sale. These 2 simple questions can save you money on almost every purchase, leaving more for your savings goals. 4. Prioritize paying off debt. If you have high-interest debt, like a credit card balance, focus on paying that off before building your savings. Here's why. Let's say you save $5,000 in a high-interest account earning 4% a year. That gives you $200 in interest. But if you also have $5,000 in credit card debt at 18% interest, you're losing $900 in charges annually. Clearing debt first saves you more in the long run, so when you start saving, you're not battling against those high interest rates. 5. Use the Think, Want, Do framework. To keep your spending in check, categorize it into 3 buckets. Think, essentials like rent, groceries, and bills. Want, fun, guilt-free spending like nights out or hobbies. Do, and savings and investments for your future. Estimate how much you currently spend in each category, then decide how much you want to spend. Finally, track what you're actually spending. For example, if you're spending $400 on fun but want to spend $250, redirect the extra $150 into your savings. This keeps your budget balanced while funding your goals. 6. Focus on increasing income. While cutting costs helps, there's a limit to how much you can save. But when it comes to earning more, the possibilities are endless. Here are a few ideas. Start a side hustle or freelance gig. Ask for a raise or negotiate your salary. Sell things you no longer use, like clothes, electronics, or furniture. Earning more gives you flexibility to save faster without feeling like you're missing out. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. In my next video, I show you what to do every time you get paid. Don't miss this payday routine. Tap subscribe if you want to stay in the loop, give this video a like if it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.